The Trans-Carib Express Shippers family, who are the Rutty family, have been incredible supporters of the Jaja Foundation from the very beginning. Whether it's extended time storing donated supplies, shipping critical items, or backing our fundraising efforts, they are always by our side. Recently, Mr. Marcus Rutty, now leading the company's operations, played a key role in the hurricane relief efforts. I'm gonna give him a clap. Give him a clap for that. Not only did he offer generous discounts, but he also advocated for us with another shipping counterpart, Seaboard Marine, and was able to convince them to waive their fees. Big up, enough respect. Additionally, Mr. Rutty personally joined us on the weekend. He worked tirelessly at overseeing the collection of donations at their location and even taking the lead in packing and loading the supplies. At times, driving the forklift himself. Yes, big boss this, big people things, big man things. Had it not been for his support, the relief effort would not have been realized, and the Jaja Foundation is extremely grateful. The board of directors for the Jaja Foundation is delighted to present Mr. Marcus Rutty with the Diaspora Diamond Award. Congratulations.
Thank you, Jaja Foundation. I remember 35 years ago, my father was picking up barrels in a station wagon. You know, and he would go to people's house, and if the station wagon can't fit, they would put stuff in a garbage bag, and then he would bring it back to the house, and then he would pack them in barrels. If the barrels is not full, he'll get money out of his own pocket, and then he'll fill the barrel for the customer. We're like, Dad, come on, you can't do that, you can't make money like that. And then, you know, it's just a blessing while we're still here. With the support of our customers, we still have customers from 35 years ago, and they fully supported us. And Dr. Dixon came on board with Jaja Foundation, and you know, he's 100% behind us, and that's the reason we're here today. And we'll do anything for Jaja Foundation. I remember Dr. Dixon called me and he told me that he said, Marcus, I want you to do me a favor. I said, what's that? And he said, I'm thinking about doing something for the hurricane relief, and I want your help. I said, whatever it is, Dr. Dixon, I'm here to help. And before you know it, you know, I send out SMS message to 6,000 of my customers, which is like within a 20 miles radius, because I know it's more convenient for them to come, you know. And we get really good response in terms of the donations. And I mean, we even get response from customers when they said like, scammer, you know, you send out a text and they think it was scamming, so. You know, but we really get a really good response from them. And we're able to leverage the steamship line and send the container out. And I want to thank Jaja Foundation for the wonderful work that they've been doing over the years. And they have 100% of our support every time.
Clapping. Congratulations.
Mr. Marcus Rutty, Vice President, Trans-Carib Express Shippers. Thank you so much.